Hey y'all, Dr. Venn, your No BS Chiropractor. If you're currently seeing a chiropractor and you're having a hard time holding your adjustments, I've seen a situation in the elderly that I'm now starting to see in younger and younger patients, and it's very simply that they don't get enough protein. There's two causes. One, you're simply not eating enough grams of protein per day for your body type, your activity level, etc. Number two, you're getting enough protein, but your body can't break it down, digest it, and assimilate it. So if it is number two, then what we use in my office is Standard Process has a product called Zypan. Zypan is great to help aid in digestion and break down the protein for you. This will help you to assimilate more, and sometimes that can fix the problem. Sometimes it's simply that you just need to eat more protein. There's a lot of people that still feel a fear of eating red meat, and that just is unwarranted. So check your protein levels, either eat more or help your body digest more. One of the two can sometimes make a big difference in holding your adjustments better. Hope that helps. You're welcome.